I could actually go so.
Big no blood clot, super.
She don't have nothing to do with
She don't have nothing to do. She don't have nothing to do with
fighting.
She don't have no more song figure right. She don't have
No, she borrow every song she write. You know, see,
I really think I don't know why she come and do this tonight to come and make Rosealee feel like. I them suck me up in
that song she
them
make
make
me
Rosealee feel like she has that funny up.
No man, so me I go watch who Rosealee want to go home.
One blood clot share.
You see, if Nicki Minaj
yeah,
even want to come and show
one share,
Rosealee little
the
sympathy,
but
she should
one
have
blood
come then and
clot
try
share.
comfort her in a one different. But no come,
Yeah.
I'm going like you want to call up people and I call down all kind of some people and I bring down people.
You see, they did call me now and say, okay then, she go talk about Destiny if you pick a side. What you mean pick a side? Me and she a friend, me and Rosealee a friend. And even so, if me a go pick one side, me a go pick Rosalie's side, cause me hate Shay. Right? Me no like Shay. Rosealee don't really do me no bad like how Shay do me body no. Nicki Minaj go tell me to pick a side. Big artists like you, or you getting a people blood clot mix up. Or you getting a people mix up big celebrity. I go tell you say me fi pick side. Mighty God, Jesus Christ, take me to God to a dog. You can't do dog. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna them push you out. No, sir. Gone to the dog, man. Gone to the dog.
Like Rose, you say.
She said it. She said it. Not tell me what she said. She said it.
Everybody see the video. Me don't know if you see the video over share alone.
Right.
You come and bend somebody and them treat you like shit. Them lock you up.
They me no pick me side already. Shay side.
I can't believe this.
You come and bend somebody and them treat you like shit. Them treat you like you're nobody. Everybody see the video. Me don't know if you see the video over share alone.
Can't believe the woman just changed her mouth just like that.
Yeah, Shadela.
True fake her money.
One blood clot Shay across the border. Who like it, bite it.
Yeah.
See more video with her? Shay and Jacob fight. See video, yeah. Dirty blood clot.
Yeah. Move your blood clots.
Never get that.
Move your blood clots.
And she and her man a fight and police come. You saw she wicked? And she and her man a fight and police come. No, Rosealee and her man a fight and police come. And she say her people set up her and send police. You saw she wicked? Wicked blood clot. You say Rosealee and her man a fight. And she say her people send police. You saw she wicked? That's why she can't do nothing. You saw she wicked?
Move your blood clots. Move your blood clots.
You saw Rosealee wicked? Rosealee and Jacob fight and then call police and people out to do a video it. I just come video. New